Two of Python for Data Science Bootcamp, a 2-day bootcamp. For my part 1, check out my earlier video, which you can find as a link. So on day 2, I talk about machine learning algorithms, and most of the time goes into understanding terms like regression versus classification, supervised versus unsupervised, different libraries and different algorithms that we use for machine learning. And if you were to practice something before you come to the session, these are the 4 GitHub account of books that are very famous. Generally, this session is like 80-90% about scikit-learn library, about things like regression, classification, clustering, and dimension reduction. So if you can read about scikit library, that helps a lot. The other part is that all of my notebooks could be found on Microsoft Azure notebook link, and I have 2 libraries. The first is Machine Learning AI, and the next is Python Machine Learning Part 2, where you can find my notebook for regression, logistic regression, iris classification, and the datasets that I use frequently. And you can also find my notebook of decision tree random forest, dimension reduction, and some dataset that I use about. Now, the dataset that I use here most often is iris dataset, Titanic, and the other ones that are often seen like housing, which is the most common project for data science people. And then taking you through the slides that I talk about. These slides, I try to cover the entire spectrum of algorithms that we are going to use. So the right hand side of your screen, the regression analysis and k-mean clustering, PCA, I touch a little bit about everything, but more importantly, I touch about something that is common. So the goal is that after this session and the last session, you could take any one of these sessions without any trouble, and not specifically in the same order. So this EDA is kind of essential for moving ahead, but it's not extremely essential. So the other one you can still do. So if you were to start directly with big data or natural language processing or web scraping, Django or Flask, you could attend them in any order. So order is not that strict once you do the first 2 sessions. That's why this is about intro to machine learning, and this is for Python data science day 2 of 2. So I hope you found this video useful, and hoping to see you in my session. Thank you for